I decree and declare breakthrough in 2026. I decree and declare that every closed door will open. I decree and declare that every rejected application will be approved. I decree and declare that every denied request will be granted. I decree and declare that every blocked blessing will be released. You will not be denied, you will not be rejected, you will not be overlooked. You will be accepted, you will be chosen, you will be celebrated. I pray for the singles who are believing God for marriage. I pray that you will heal every wound. I pray that you will restore every trust. I pray that you will mend every broken relationship. And where restoration is not possible, I pray for divine closure. I pray for the grace to move on. I pray for the strength to let go. Thus saith the Spirit of the Lord, there are some of you, I am about to take you to places you have never been before. I am about to show you things you have never seen before. I am about to do things in your life that you have never experienced before. It will be so unusual that people will wonder how it happened. It will be so supernatural that they will know it was not by human effort. It will be so spectacular that all glory will go to me.